Here we go. Oh my god. Ooh. I can't see none. I was trying to record this, but every time it just keeps messing up. Let's hope this one works. Oh, that gets terrifying. Why does it have to be this theme though? On the F1 for May 4th. And it's in Star Wars. Kind of getting a little bit laggy going on. Come on, it doesn't have no lag. Come on, please. Oh my god. Like this is the new version of Rain Rap. I wish it would do this in a long time. Oh, I see it. I see it. Oh, some person got sucked up and GG! We did it!